Okay, internet. Well, this was the only way I could think about stopping that flywheel rotating up the side. Remember when we talked it up? So basically what I've done here is I've refitted the clutch temporarily with the clutch holding tool. The EBC clutch holding tool you saw me using in previous videos. That's up against the swinging arm bolt, so when you tighten the flywheel bolt on the crankshaft, it goes against the clutch, which goes against that and holds it tight. Anyway, secret's revealed, there you go. What we need to do now is we need to take this off because we're going to pressurise the oil pump again, and we don't want the back of the clutch engaging with the oil pump. We'll take our magic clutch tool off. Okay. I was hoping that might just slide out, but obviously not. Like that. Clutch drum out, like that. There we have it. Right, so we have an oil feed hole in the top of the shaft. We have an open end of the shaft, so we need to cover them up, otherwise when we start turning the oil pump, oil is going to ooze out of there. So what we have to do is tape it up then, Anna. That's it. Stick that in there. Oh Christ, that's covered in shit. Oil coming out. Oil up. There we go, that should do us. Right, next task. Okay, so we've topped the oil up. We've got that casing on there on that side now, so now we're just going to try and see if we can get oil coming through these oil ways on the cams. Okay, here we go. Right. So that's working, isn't it? working. That's working because it's dripping out of that shaft. Yep. That's working. Yep, I think we've got it cracked, haven't we? I think we're there. Okay, what I've done is I've cleaned up the old rocker cover gasket and seals, basically because that rocker cover's got to come off again to check the valve clearances after the engine's initial run. Now I know the valve clearances aren't right, so we've got to go through all this again. However, there's no point in setting the valve clearances now. They need setting after its initial run. So we'll let it run, let it warm up to temperature, let the fan kick in, and then when it's cooled down again, we'll strip it and do those valve clearances.